Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the wonders of the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm delighted to share with you a fascinating story about one of the most misunderstood creatures in the animal kingdom, the flying fox. As we wander through the eastern coastal regions of Australia, we find ourselves in the presence of these magnificent bats, also known as fruit bats. With their impressive wingspans of over 1.5 meters and weighing up to 1 kilogram, they are a sight to behold. But what's even more remarkable about these creatures is the vital role they play in maintaining the health of Australia's ecosystems. Researchers have recently quantified the economic benefits that flying foxes provide to the timber industry in Australia, and the results are astounding. By dispersing seeds through their unique seed rain, where they defecate in the air without stopping to roost, these bats are responsible for creating over 91 million trees, mostly eucalyptus. This translates to a whopping $195 million to $673 million per year contributed to Australia's economy. But the impact of flying foxes goes far beyond economics. As pollinators and seed spreaders, they serve as a crucial link between different ecosystems, creating what researchers call the bat ripple effect. This phenomenon is especially important in Australia, where wildfires and human activities have fragmented the natural landscape. By travelling hundreds of miles in just a few days, flying foxes help to preserve the genetic integrity of Australia's forests, ensuring that certain tree species can continue to thrive. Despite their importance, flying foxes remain vulnerable to habitat loss, fire, and extreme heat events. A single hot afternoon can result in mortality on a regional scale, with tens of thousands of dead bats. It's a sobering reminder of the fragility of these creatures and the need for conservation efforts to protect them. As we continue to explore the natural world, it's essential to recognize the vital roles that all creatures play, no matter how misunderstood they may be. The flying fox is a testament to the intricate web of life that surrounds us, and it's up to us to appreciate and protect these incredible animals. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. Today we're taking a journey to the coast of South Africa, where a mysterious disappearance has been puzzling scientists and conservationists alike. The great white sharks that once thrived in these waters have vanished, leaving behind a trail of questions and concerns. At the heart of this enigma are two orcas, known for their intelligence and hunting prowess, which have been observed preying on the great whites. Some researchers believe that these orcas may be the primary reason for the decline of the great white shark population in South Africa. However, not everyone agrees with this theory. Chris Fallows, a renowned wildlife photographer, and Enrico Gennari, a marine biologist, argue that humans are ultimately to blame for the disappearance of the great whites. They point to the devastating impact of commercial fishing boats on the smaller shark species that are a crucial part of the great white's diet. The removal of these prey species has significant consequences for the predators that rely on them. Furthermore, Fallows and Gennari highlight the lethal effects of shark nets and baited hooks used to protect swimmers along the coast. These devices kill over 20 great whites every year, as well as other marine life that gets entangled in them. The duo advocates for alternative methods to safeguard humans, such as underwater magnetic fields or smaller mesh nets, which can create barriers without harming marine animals. The story of the missing great white sharks serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance of our ocean's ecosystem. As Fallows so eloquently puts it, a balanced ocean is a healthy ocean. A healthy ocean is a healthy environment for us. The fate of these magnificent creatures hangs in the balance, and it's up to us to take action. As we reflect on the complexities of this issue, we're reminded that conservation efforts can indeed be successful, as seen in the remarkable recovery of humpback whales after commercial whaling was banned. With determination and a willingness to adapt, we can make a positive impact on the natural world. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we explore the wonders of the natural world and our place within it. As we conclude today's journey, I'd like to take a moment to reflect on the interconnectedness of our planet and the impact of human activities on the environment. We've discussed the fascinating story of the missing great white sharks and the delicate balance of our ocean's ecosystem. We've also touched on the importance of conservation efforts and the need for sustainable solutions to mitigate the effects of climate change. As we look to the future, it's essential to recognize the intricate web of relationships between species, habitats, and ecosystems. The natural world is full of wonders, from the majestic migration patterns of birds to the intricate social structures of insects. One of the most critical aspects of maintaining a healthy planet is preserving biodiversity. By protecting and restoring natural habitats, we can ensure the long-term survival of countless species and maintain the integrity of ecosystems. As we continue on our journey, it's crucial to acknowledge the impact of human activities on the environment. Climate change, pollution, and deforestation are just a few examples of the pressing issues that require our attention and action. However, I'd like to shift gears and discuss a topic that may seem unrelated to nature at first glance. The concept of fairness and transparency in elections is a fundamental aspect of human society, and it's essential to recognize the parallels between the natural world and the complexities of human politics. Just as ecosystems rely on balance and diversity to thrive, democratic systems require fairness, transparency, and accountability to function effectively. The recent discussions around election interference and hypocrisy in progressive elites serve as a reminder that even in the realm of human affairs, the principles of nature can provide valuable insights. The strategic shift in the global energy market, with its emphasis on variety and diversity, echoes the wisdom of Winston Churchill's words from 1913. Just as safety and certainty in oil lie in variety, the natural world teaches us that resilience and adaptability are key to survival. As we conclude today's Nature Walk, I encourage you to reflect on the interconnectedness of our world and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Remember that even in the most unexpected places, the principles of nature can provide valuable lessons for human society. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.